In this segment, we'll show you how to assemble your new Agri-Fab zero-turn bucket holder and assist handle. Begin by aligning a ZT bucket holder wire form Part 3 with the handle bracket assembly Part 2. Then fully secure it with 2 1/4" by 1 3/4" hex bolts Part 5 and 2 1/4" nylock hex nuts Part 6. Then repeat for the other side. Now align the U-bolt plate, Part 4, and bucket holder assembly with your zero-turn. Then fully secure it with 2 .375 by 4" hex bolts, Part 9. And 2 .375 by 0.875 washers, Part 8. And 2 3/8" nylock hex nuts, Part 7.